Alright, we're doing a fitment today for a Gen 1 Mach-E GT. Alright, and let's get to the front. It's going to go up underneath here. The installation for the standard Mach-E is very similar to this, same as single screw 3M tape. The 3M tape is only to keep it from moving left or right. It is not meant to hold it in place. You need that single screw. Okay, go ahead and start the fitment.
Okay, so first thing we're going to do is remove the center screw using a 7mm socket. It's a 4.2 by 25 screw, but factory screw is going to be, just save it, but we won't be using it. We got to use a longer one because we'll be using a spacer. So alright, so I'm going to grab the hardware here. First thing we're going to do is grab the alcohol pad, and we're going to clean right here in front where the screw or the bracket, the 3M tape's going to lay. And again, that's just to keep it from rotating left or right. Then we're going to take the 4.2 by 30, I believe, and we're going to stick it through the base plate. And then we're going to take the spacer, can you still see me? Take the spacer and set it on top. Then I'm going to pull the 3M tape, the protective film off that, but I'm going to keep it when I put it in. I'm going to make sure that the tape stays off of the car if I start to screw, just to make sure that I get it nice and straight before. Now this one, you can, as opposed to the ones where it's 3M only, if this one, if it's a little crooked or whatever, you'll be able to take it off and re-stick it, or kind of adjust it, if you will. So we're just going to start to screw using our socket. Then what we're going to do is we're going to, before we really stick this thing on there, we're going to verify the alignment. So that until it locks into place, and then we're just going to make sure that it's nice and straight before we
need to go left.
Okay, is that good?
A little more to the left.
Okay.
I think about right there.
Okay, you tell me.
Okay.
Right there, good?
Yep.
Okay. So now that we've got it all aligned, we can go through, and now we can go ahead and just tighten this up. And again, this will tighten up pretty tight. So you can see that's snug. I'm going just a little bit more. I'm grabbing up by the head of the ratchet to not over tighten it, but you can hit it pretty good. And there you go, it's in. And then you would take and put your license plate on the front, and then go put it on. You're just going to slide it in, line up your pull pin, push it till it clicks into place, and that's what it should look like when it's all done. Show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other 3 screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.